Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a PR from Born Pretty, so we've got a little haul to go through together. I have 5 products that they have sent me, 4 bottled gel polishes and a metal painting gel. I would like to say a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products to try out. First, here we have a Born Pretty liner brush. The first bottle here of gel polish is a glitter jelly, number 7. This is a pearlescent blue with a purple shimmer. Here is the second bottle, and this is a semi jelly, number 11, in the colour blue. This third bottle of gel is a Milky Jelly, and that's number 8. That is in a brown tone. Here is the fourth bottle. This is a semi jelly, number 6, and it is in a lighter tone than the previous colour. As it is a semi jelly, it is semi-translucent. Then the fifth product is this metal painting gel, which is holographic. I have a discount code for you in the description box. That's for 10% off your order, or you can add kizzy10 at checkout. Look at that hollow. It's beautiful. So let's swatch these beautiful colours to see what they look like on a nail. So here we're going in with the glitter jelly. We're going to do 2 coats for this. This one is going to be in 3 coats, so that's coat 1. And then we'll go with the coat 2. And then finally, there's 3 coats. Here we have the third bottle. So that's the Milky Jelly in the brown tone. So we're just going to do 2 coats of that. So there's coat 1. Then coat 2. And the final bottle we have here is the semi jelly. So like the other one, we're going to do the first coat, pop that into cure for 60 seconds. There's the second coat going on, giving it a bit of a deeper colour. Then finally the third coat. Here's the metal paint gel. I've used the Born Pretty black as a base, which I already had. Then using the liner brush, I'm going to draw out the smile line. I think it looks pretty like this. But then I decided I was going to cap the free edge. I was loving the colour so much, I decided to paint the whole of the tip. I'm going to pop that into the lamp for a 60-second cure and then top coat. So here are all the 5 colours. I've just popped some swatches on some other tips, just so you can see the gradient from the jelly. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment below with what you think your favourite colour is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!